horrible today. Caldera erupts. Pressure in Campi Flegrei ruptures crust, threatening the city Italia. Campi Flegrei, a supervolcano located beneath Naples, Italy, is showing signs of awakening and attracting the attention of scientists and the public. This area is known for its complex volcanic activity and the potential for significant impacts on the surrounding region. This supervolcano consists of a large caldera formed by a massive eruption thousands of years ago. This activity increases the pressure of the magma underground, causing micro-earthquakes and changes in the land surface, which are continuously monitored. Volcanologists have observed increased volcanic gases and land deformation, which are early signs of awakening. This has prompted intensive research to understand the potential for an eruption and its impact on human life in the surrounding area. Despite the challenging situation, modern technology is helping scientists collect real-time data and more accurately predict Campi Flegrei's behavior. Disaster mitigation efforts are also being developed to minimize risks. Campi Flegrei is not only a threat, but also a natural laboratory, rich in information about natural forces and geological processes. The area has a long history of super eruptions that have shaped the Italian landscape. The Italian government and international experts are working to improve public preparedness through outreach and an early warning system. Public awareness is key to better disaster preparedness. Campi Flegrei remains a symbol of nature's incredible power and a reminder of the importance of vigilance and maintaining the balance between humans and the environment. Recent developments are closely monitored worldwide,